Hey friends, if you wish to fix Bluetooth volume control not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter and the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot and other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Then click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter and run both of them. The next one is to update the audio and Bluetooth drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, and the first one is to update all the drivers, all the audio drivers, and then expand Bluetooth and update this Bluetooth driver, the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter. The last solution is to simply restart the Bluetooth services. So search for services in the Windows search bar and click on services. Now this list is in alphabetical order. So scroll down to the Bluetooth services. There are three of them. Right click on the first one, select restart. Right click on the second one and select restart. Right click on the third one and select restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.